Hi Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper on Friday, February the 21st, 2020, we have two Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. We will start first with the Sudoku Light, so let's get started. I see here 7 in this column, the third column, a 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for a 7 is here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Then let me see. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in the last column, the only two places for a 1 is here or there. But I see here already a 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 1 is here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for a 1 is here or there, but I see here already a 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then all the ones are used, all the ones are used, I can see, yes. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for a 3 is here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for a 3 is here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in that column, the only two places for a 3 is here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see, yes. Then a 6 in the last column, a 6 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. I see there 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be this one. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for 6 is here or there, but I see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. We see here a 9, so no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So in that column, the only two places for an 8 is here or there, but I see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8, so no 8 in that box. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be this one. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 8 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 4 and 9. I see here 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the column between, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 4. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 here, so no 7 here, 7 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in the first column for the number 3. We have there 5, I believe. Yes, 5. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 4. 1 missing number in this row for the number 7. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 7 and 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 missing number of this big square for the number 6. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. I made a mistake. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the 6 should be here. So we make a wrong. This should be a 6 because we have a 3. Mistake, error. So this one should be the number 9. Yes, I made a mistake. You need to double check every time. Alright, 1 missing number in this row for the number 2. 1 missing number in this column for the number 4. 1 missing number in this row for the number 2. And final number for this big square for the number 5. So we finished this in 8 minutes with an error, but I have corrected. Alright, if you like this Sudoku Light, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you want, if you like. Download the PDF file so you can make it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the Sudoku Heavy. Bye bye. See you later.